Hello everyone, this is Kevin, your Apptrepreneur.
Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur.
Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur.
Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. Welcome to my channel. This happened a few days ago and they may say, well, Kevin, they're not actually cutting rates. They're repurposing their rates. In fact, that's what this USA Today article says.
And there's very little winning with Uber and Lyft. And according to this article, Uber and Lyft actually have gotten way worse, and they might even be rejecting certain methods on which drivers can prove themselves innocent. So here's this article for RNZ. And I love the headline, deactivated by Uber, they're gonna listen to the rider and not listen to the driver. That is absolutely true.
This is gonna be very interesting.
For you, don't do it. And in fact, I would recommend taking a break from driving for Uber on a more permanent basis, especially when this new flat surge comes to town. What do you know? It's the Lyft amp. Finally! It's finally come! There it is. Lyft amp. It looks pretty. I still don't know why they didn't make this a mustache shape thing. Oh! Open Lyft amp. What do I do with the glow stash? I know. Nightlight.
Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay. Guys, I just figured out what happened to the power.
Look at all this.
But when I did look at it, I realized Uber actually removed a very, very important feature on the new app.
Lyft has just sent me something for hitting 1,000 rides. See, it's got a little here. Okay.
We are doing a live stream on the streets of LA.
What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing?
You made it. You didn't know if you were gonna make it, but you made it.
Hi.
I follow your channel. I just wanted to say.
Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Glad you're here.
Oh, me too.
Great job. We appreciate what you do.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, I gotta say, I watch your stuff, man.
Oh.
I've learned a lot from you.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate it.
Rate cuts a long time ago, way
Long time
before.
ago, before it even, you know what I mean?
And I predicted it was going to get to this point.
Next step. We told everybody we will be here till 3 o'clock picketing.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cecily from Drive Girl Drive, and I'm here with my friend Kevin the Apptrepreneur. Apptrepreneur.
It's not that difficult. It's entrepreneur and you replace the E with app.
That's a really hard word for me to say, too.
Hello, YouTube channel. What's your channel name?
Kevin T. Rod.
Kevin T. Rod.
Very
He's standing right next to me right here. Look at this. Look at this. This is him right here.
This is me.
Kevin T. Rod. I got the pen in the way. There we go. That's better.
And I decided to bring in a special guest to help test this, and that is Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy. Say hi, Harry.
Thanks for having me, Kevin. I'm excited to finally join one of your live streams. I think this is the first time we've actually collaborated directly together. I know.
But could Uber have done more for their drivers pre-IPO? Was there anything else they could have done? Any clever thing they could have done? Sir, do you have any opinion on that? Do you, sir?
Excuse me? Oh,
Yeah.
hi, how are you?
I'm doing.
Hello? No. No, we're better than Uber support. Hello?
Hey, you.
Hey, I was close. It's Uberman Tampa, right?
That is correct.
That is correct.
Oh, Kevin?
Yes, who's this?
Hey, my name is Jesus calling from San Diego.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, and yourself?
I am doing fine. We're having a fun night doing a live call-in show. Have you been watching?
Oh, awesome. Well, I'm glad we could talk.
Live stream. We have Dave, the Uber slave, a familiar face some of you may have missed. Peterson,
How
see?
you doing, Ryan Peterson? I am here, Mr. 10K, and I have a special gift for him. He's going to love it. I promise you. Yes.
But see, he's still around. I told you I'm still in contact with him. And,
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Aaron, your personal driver.
Hey, what's your name, sir?
My name's Randy.
Your name's Randy. Oh, awesome. Well, hey, you're pretty knowledgeable. Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel yourself?
On that note, my Uber's here.
All right, as promised, we have a celebrity. Fellow YouTuber Adam Korolnik, right?
Yeah, Korolnik.
Korolnik. I am bad with pronouncing names.
Well, in a past life, I used to be a British spy.
So these are two of my co-hosts of the podcast, but Mark is in Wisconsin.
Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur here with a special video. This is a vlog. It's normally saved for the other channel, but because this is, something that I'm kind of happy about, like more so than usual, and I kind of want to share the good feeling because check this out.
That's right. So we're having Jeff help with this.
What's a bullet hole?
I waited like almost 20 years to see this show. Like a long time. I'm sure it's going to be a magical night. You know what? It's going through my mind the whole night. What has been going on in my mind the whole night is how magical it is every day with you. How much I love you. How much I want to spend every day of my life with you. And on this magical night, I think I just have to finally ask this question. But ladies, will you marry me?
A proposal just happened right on the stage with you. Congratulations. Congratulations. I saw the hubbub. That's what it was.
He said yes.
Oh, like, favorite, and subscribe.
Yes,
yeah?
I have to say that every time at the end of the video.
Like, favorite, and subscribe.